Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Sanford, local and long-distance movers near me. A long-distance move is a challenging job since it incorporates handling multiple things at one time. And if you think about doing it all alone, then you may end up disappointed. Moreover, lifting heavy items can injure you and it's also stressful. Therefore, avoid the physical efforts and mental exhaustion and select our licensed and experienced professional movers. We work our best to make your move before the decided deadlines without compromising with the quality standards. Are you planning to make your local move with the help of friends and family to save money? Then you can hire our local movers in Sanford. Our local movers provide you with tailor-made plans for the budget you decided for your move. Therefore, with us, the facilities you get outweigh the prices you pay. Moreover, you can stay free from supervising the whole process and the physical labor of lifting the bulky and oversized belongings. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Sanford moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.